But every client bought because of me, and every project needed my approval. That's not a business. That's a job with assistance. Hey there, it's Samy here, a CPA and fractional CFO for creative agencies. This is a conversation I've had at least, 37 times this year alone. An agency founder calls me and says, Samy, we've been stuck at least for 3 years at 2 million. We're busy, we're profitable, kind of, but I feel like we're spinning in a place. If that's you, stick around. I'm going to walk you through the 5 silent killers that hold agencies at that 1.5, 2.5 million range and real things we've done to break past them. Okay, first, and this is gonna sting a little, you're doing too much. And I say that with love because I've been there. I have a founder once, a super sharp guy, ran a digital marketing studio. He was the lead strategist, the closer, the guy writing the email at midnight, and also he was burning out. The fix wasn't fancy. We simply mapped out everything he was doing and asked, what is the first thing that we can delegate without the quality dropping? So we started with project management, then client reporting. And get this, within 3 months, he was off 60% of client calls. Revenue actually went up because he could focus on business development. So I want you to try this. Write down everything you touch in a week. Then highlight anything someone else could be doing, even 80% as well of what you're doing. And that's your delegation roadmap. This one drives me nuts. Most agency owners are looking at in cash in the bank and calling that strategy. One of my clients was doing $2.4 million a year and losing money on their biggest client. I'm serious. After we did a client margin breakdown, turns out that their dream client was costing them over $40,000 a year. They were over-servicing, missing change orders, and the team was just eating hours just keeping them happy. So here's something you can do. Pull your top 5 clients. Estimate the time spent per month. Take that number, divide that by revenue. So if your effective hourly rate is under $100 and you're not a junior copywriter, then you've got a problem. If you're pricing custom proposals for every client, you're bleeding time and money. So we worked with a small branding agency, gorgeous work, high profile clients, but their pricing was all over the place. One project was $25K, the next one was $12,000 for twice the scope. So what we did, we sat down and we built 3 fixed scope packages. No more start from scratch every time. And within 60 days, their average deal size went up from $16,000 to $22,000. And for fewer revisions, clients love the clarity. I want you to think about that. What would your flagship offer look like? How would you turn your process into a product? You know what kills growth? It's chaos. Not lack of leads, not bad clients, just good old-fashioned disorganizations. I had a video production team with 12 people and not a single standardized workflow. They were managing 6-figure projects in Google Sheets and Slacks. We rolled them in a ClickUp, set up templates for every phase of production, and created a real-time dashboard. Suddenly, no more where's that file or what's due next week. They save 40 hours a month just by getting everyone on the same page. Here's the next tip. Your operation shouldn't live in your head. You need to systematize your service delivery. So if you win a big client tomorrow, can your team handle it without a panic attack? This one is tough to hear, but super important. You might be building a business, but cannot grow without you. I had a founder tell me, Samy, I want to get a $5 million business and maybe sell in 5 years. But every client bought because of me and every project needed my approval. That's not a business. That's a job with assistance. So we made a plan. First, we pulled her out of the client delivery. Then we gave her team authority and accountability. It took about 6 months, but now she only steps in for high-level strategy. And the business is actually growing faster because she's not in the way. So I want to ask yourself that question. If you disappear for 30 days, would your agency still make money? If the answer is no, that's your next project. All right, so let's bring it home. If you're stuck around $2 million, it's probably not about leads or talents. It's almost always about structure. You're too much in the weeds. You don't know which clients are profitable. Your pricing is inconsistent. Your system are duct tape, and your business needs you more than it should. The good news is every single one of those problems is solvable, and we've helped dozens of creative agencies do just that. If you just want to help running your numbers or look at your KPIs or cleaning up your operations or just figuring out what to tackle first, we're happy to talk. We do, free strategy calls, and we promise that there's no pressure here. Book a call or drop a comment and let us know what part that you need help with, and we'll hit it home for you. I want to thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you next time.
This has been another episode of our tax-saving video series. If you enjoy this video, please like it, subscribe below, and share with other business owners. You can find previous episodes and more information at www.bostacpa.com. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.